Found this 3-pack of glass screen protectors from Smart Devil, and these are bubble and dust resistant, HD tempered glass, and military grade shatterproof protection. And it comes with the tray as well. So all you do is pop your phone into the tray, press down and pull, and your case is installed. You just pop your phone down in there, press and pull, and just that quick, your screen protector is on, and it comes with 3. Obviously things happen, and you have the backup ones for if you crack the first or second. For this pack of 3, it came in at just $18.99. Now on Amazon, you can use our code 40H2Tech to get 40% off that $18.99 for a limited time. Next, I picked up this clear case from a brand called FNT Case. It's not a big well-known brand, they're up and coming, but I've used their cases a few times in the past for other phones and had a great experience. This is a military grade drop protection case, and it has the anti-yellowing technology, so your case isn't going to turn yellow in a couple of months. It also has some really thick indents on the edges here, which means it's going to be able to take a nice little drop if the phone were to fall. It also has that magnetic ring on the back, which will make it easy to connect with all your MagSafe accessories. And it has a raised lip on the edge here. So if your phone does fall and hit the ground, your screen is not going to touch the ground. It also has a nice indent on the side here for the new camera button. So at the time of purchase, I got this case for just $9.99. It actually also does come with a screen protector as well, so you can have one more to add in with those Smart Devil ones that we just showed you. Now for a few extra dollars, you can pick up the Spigeon Ultra Hybrid MagFit case. Now this case has a lot of fun character on the back, which mimics the internal workings of the iPhone. Also has a really nice thick layer around the phone. It does have military grade protection. And it also has that raised lip around the edge of the phone, so your phone is protected again when it drops, screen doesn't hit the ground. It also has an even wider cutout on the side here for that new camera button. So this one would make it even easier to reach that and interact with that when you're taking pictures. So really nice case here. Again, this one's just a couple of dollars more. This one comes in at $21.99. And obviously at different times you can get these for a little bit less. Also, when you're on Amazon, make sure you look out for that coupon button, because sometimes they will have an additional 5 up to 20% off, so keep an eye out for that too. So I found those 2 great case options, and I found those screen protectors. So protection wise, I'm good. The next thing I had to think about is iPhone comes with the USB cable, right? But it doesn't come with a wall charger. So I said, hey, let me take a look and see if there's any great deals on wall chargers. And I came across a 2-pack of these Anker wall chargers, and I love these the most because it has multiple ports. It doesn't just have the Type-C port, it also has a full-size USB as well. You can use that to charge a lot of your other devices. So I found a 2-pack, so 2 of these wall bricks and 2 USB-C cables for $12.98. Crazy. So I'll make sure to link these below with all the other stuff, because it's always good to have more than one of these. Keep one obviously on your nightstand, and you have another one you can have plugged in somewhere else in the house, or you can take it with you when you go places. Next, I found this really great car charger from Anker as well. And this one, same thing, it's a dual port, so it has the Type-C and it has the full-size USB. This came in at only $10.99. It's a 52-watt charger, and you can use this to charge the new iPhone 16. You can also use it to charge an iPad as well. Moving on, this is the Aukey MagFusion Z, which is a great option for your nightstand at home. It is a portable 3-in-1 charging station. You simply pop the back down like this, then you raise up, pop this to the side here. I can now take my phone, I can charge. You can also tilt this down as well, so it has multiple angles you can have it. You can rotate your phone in the landscape position as well, so great for watching movies at night as well. Bring this back up. You can throw your Apple Watch to charge right on the side. And on the back, you have the slot for your AirPods. So charge all your Apple devices just that easy. And as a reminder, you can literally just take everything off, fold it up, slide it down, and this could fit right in your pocket. Now, what's cool is it does come with a case. So you can simply just pop this right in to the traveling case. It does come with a 15-watt charging brick as well. Take that along with your cable, zip that up, and this is an easy thing you can take with you on trips to be able to pop up and just charge on your nightstand, close it up, and then throw it right back in your suitcase. This charging station overall is pretty sweet. Now, it's a little more pricey than everything else I mentioned. This does come in at $89.99, but it definitely is worth it at the price to be able to charge all your devices at one time and to be able to take it with you on your trips. Next, we have this really cool magnetic desktop stand, and this pairs really nice with the MagSafe case. Simply just pop it right on here, and you have this stand that you can adjust up to make it higher. You can obviously rotate your phone in the landscape position as well. I've actually been using this right in front of my keyboard on my desk. It's so easy to pop the phone on there, watch a movie during the day, and you can plug in your charging cable super easy. This is a steal. It only comes in at $13.99, and so this is a great accessory to pair with your iPhone as well. Next, check out this really cool phone holder for your iPad or your laptop. It basically mounts right onto the back, slides down just like this. Take your phone and you can mount it and easily see it while you're working and continue to interact with your conversations right next to your work. Now, I have this mounted on my iPad right now, and I'm actually about to pick up another one for my laptop. So it's just easier for me to keep my eye on things that are going on with messages while I'm working. This comes in at only $15.99, and it's just a no-brainer in my opinion. Next is this really sweet portable charger from Anker. This is a 5,000 milliamp charger, which is going to allow you to pop it in, charge your phone whenever you notice your battery is getting low. If you're not close to a wall outlet, no need to worry. Simply just pop this in. You'll be able to continue working, and it does support 22.5 watt charging, so it's going to charge nice and quick. It has a battery indicator at the bottom here. So you simply press the button on the side and it'll actually show you how much juice you have left as well. And when you're done, simply take it out. This little port folds down, pop that in your pocket or in your bag. And it just is one of those things you never want to leave home without. And honestly, lately I've noticed myself using this more at home than I do out, because at night when my battery is low, I just want to pop this in to be able to keep using my phone. I don't want to have to go close to a wall outlet and plug it in. So this comes in at just $19.99. The price does vary here and there, but that's around the ballpark. And it does come in multiple colors. So definitely worth the grab on this one. All right, next we have this Moft phone stand, which is literally the size of a couple of credit cards. You take this, pop it on the back of your phone, and you have this little portable stand that just pops right out, that you can use to set your phone up. And you can bring this out even more, stand your phone up this way. You can then rotate your phone in the landscape position too. So it's really great to be able to pop this up and be able to watch a movie or a show. And it's got another really cool feature, or another way that they say to use it, which is using it as a selfie stick. You can simply just fold it like this, turn your camera on, and then take some easy pictures just by holding it and extending your arm out. So this is another great accessory. I use this thing all the time. In fact, I have 3 little kids, and when we go out to restaurants, when they get rowdy, I pop this out and have it right back on the stand here. And now they're all able to see their show. Mommy and daddy are able to sit down and have a conversation while they're watching Daniel Tiger or whatever it is that they're watching. So this stand comes in at $39.99. And again, I've seen it much lower. You just have to kind of watch the deals, but this is totally worth the grab as well. And this usually just stays on my phone all the time because it's so easy to pop it out and have that stand on. All right, so years ago, Apple used to include headphones in the box of their phones, and just like the charging bricks, headphones are a thing of the past that they no longer include because they want you to spend the big dollars on their AirPods and their different headphone products. Well, again, if you're on a budget, you're trying to save some money, but you still need to be able to listen to your music, make your calls. Here is a set of Type-C earbuds that are compatible with the iPhone 16. These come in at just $14.99. It has the Type-C port, so it'll plug right into your phone. It also has a volume control as well, and you can use it to pause your music, and you can use it again, for your calls as well. So, now, if you have older headphones that you still want to continue to use, but obviously, again, the iPhone uses Type-C, it doesn't use the Aura technology, you can pick up one of these, which is, this is an adapter that goes from Type-C to an auxiliary port. You just plug this right in, and then you can plug in your old school auxiliary headphones to continue to use those on your iPhone 16. So this is also pretty reasonable. I want to say this was around $9.99. Sometimes you can find some as low as $6.99. So that's just another recommendation there. So, all right, guys, we've come to the end of the video here. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you got value out of this. Can't wait to see your comments down below of what accessory you like the best that we mentioned. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care, and as always, have a good one.